You can see. Let's see. Just give it a minute. Just let me sit down. How about that? Just let me sit down. We'll do a little commentary while you do a hawk watch with me. He'll be back. This happens so much, I expect it. But you can see it for yourself in my videos. Got tons of videos. And I need to set up a camera out here, because this is a good spot to view it. Let's do it like this. And if I had a tripod, I could do live feeds, and we could do like a daily hawk watch, and you could see for yourselves. I'm not making this stuff up. It got my attention so many times that I started filming so I could show you what I'm talking about. I'm not crazy. I have a therapist that knows about this. I want you to see. Whatever it is ain't normal. This ain't normal. I know that for a fact. Birds are not supposed to follow you. I guess the hawk's gonna make me into a liar. Yesterday, I was walking the dog, and five of them flew over me so low that I could see their eyes, and I could see the colors of the undersides of them, of their wings. I could see the tips of their wings were white. So I know that was a hawk. And I know what I took a picture of in all this time as hawks. But, I guess this thing's gonna make a liar of me. He probably knows I don't know. We'll see what happens here. I can edit this, I guess. Yep. I think I'm going to start doing a live feed. Yeah, there he is. I told you. He's always around. Watch him. I hope you can see him. Through my plant. I have to move that plant. Look. See him hovering? He's always around. Watch him. He's always around. See him? Watch him. Look, and there's two more above him. Oh God, there we go. Oh my God. Oh my God, do you see that? Oh Lord, I hope that's filming. Oh my God. Oh my God, there he is. What did I tell you? There, see his underside, look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all are seeing that for yourself, folks. I record aloud. There he is.